Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 529 contributions through Fidelity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable 529 contributions through Fidelity, start by visiting the Fidelity website. Log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by clicking on the Open an Account option. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trades section in the top menu. Select College Savings from the drop-down menu. Click on the 529 college savings plan you want to contribute to. On the Plan Overview page, look for the Contribute button. Click on the Contribute button to initiate the funding process. You will be prompted to choose your contribution amount. Decide whether you want to make a one-time contribution or set up recurring contributions. For a one-time contribution, enter the desired amount and select your funding source. If setting up recurring contributions, specify the frequency and duration for the contributions. Review your choices to ensure all information is correct. Once confirmed, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. On the Summary page, review the details of your contributions. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button to finalize your contribution. You will receive a confirmation message once your transaction is completed. Check your email for a confirmation receipt for your records. Your 529 contributions through Fidelity are now successfully enabled. You can repeat this process whenever you need to make additional contributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.